In today's video, you'll learn how to change Chrome so that searches in the address bar use Google instead of Yahoo. If you've noticed that typing a query in the Chrome address bar sends results through Yahoo, the setting you need to change is the default search engine. This is different from the home page or startup page. Those control what opens when Chrome launches or when you click the home button. Here, the focus is only on switching search results back to Google. Start by opening Google Chrome in a normal browsing window. In the top right corner, click the three vertical dots to open the menu, then select Settings. Chrome will open a new tab displaying the Settings dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Search Engine. This section controls how Chrome handles searches entered in the address bar. Look for the option labeled Search Engine used in the address bar. You'll see a drop-down or a Change button next to it. Click it to view available search providers. From the list, choose Google, and if needed, click Set as Default or Make Default. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might see a simple drop-down or a Manage section, but the important step is to ensure Google is marked as the default when you finish. Once selected, the change applies instantly. From now on, whenever you type a search in the address bar, Chrome will automatically use Google instead of Yahoo. This fixes the issue for most users who suddenly find their searches redirected. A helpful reminder: if what you meant was changing your home page or startup page, that's a different setting located elsewhere in Chrome. But for search results in the address bar, setting Google as the default is the correct step. And that's all it takes. Open Chrome, go to Settings, select Search Engine, and set Google as the default provider. Enjoy faster, familiar, and more accurate results with Google in Chrome.